Want to know about these stackable pasta containers that I use in my pantry? Then you're gonna love today's video. By the end of this video, you are going to want to remove those bulky containers you used to have and swap them for these stackable containers. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Stackability, and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, a custom e-design organizing service. Last month, I had the honor to be a part of the Get Organized HQ collaborative video, and I shared my favorite products and even home hacks along with some amazing speakers. What I didn't think would happen is the love for these containers I have. I want you to know that I read your comments and I thought I would put this video together for you. This is not a sponsored video or a gifted video, but if they are listening, I wouldn't say no to more containers. I'm just saying. Oh, and yes, due to popular demand, I have linked these stackable containers at the bottom of this video just for you. Now, if you're like me, who has limited pantry space, has a large family, or just can't stand how quickly things can disappear in the back of a pantry, these containers have seriously been a game changer for us. I absolutely love these containers for so many reasons. First of all, they hold a ton. Whether it's spaghetti or macaroni or beans, these containers can handle it. And if you have a large family like mine, you will really appreciate how much these containers can store for when you bulk shop. But here's the best part. There is no way for food to get lost in the back of the pantry. I used to find forgotten baked pasta buried behind cans and other boxes. I tried to have a dedicated bin for all of our pasta stuff. I tried tall containers and round glass containers, but they all took up so much space in our small pantry. But with these stackable containers, everything stays front and center. Plus, they're clear, so you always know exactly how much is left and there's no guessing. Another thing I love is that these containers are stackable, which is huge win for our household. Our pantry was non-existent when we moved in. I bought an IKEA wardrobe and I hacked it into a pantry. This still isn't enough space for all 7 of us, so maximizing the pantry space is essential. They stack so easily and I never have to worry about them toppling over. You might be wondering where I bought these. I actually got them on Amazon. Honestly, I wish I had known about them earlier. I bought both sizes because I have a plan of action to get rid of these glass containers, and honestly, they weren't helping the situation. So they have a 37 ounce and they also have a 81 ounce. And for both, depending, you can snag a 2-pack up to a 6-pack, depending on which size you choose, of course. Also, the price range is around $21 to $36, depending on the amount that you choose. However, this can easily be used for other things like crafts, items. The sky's the limit. If you're looking to say goodbye to those lost food items in the back, these stackable containers are definitely a must-have. As always, if you want more tips on organizing your home, life, or wedding, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. If you're serious about organizing your home, don't forget to grab my free resources filled with free checklists to help guide you on your organizing journey. You can grab it in the link below this video. And if you know someone who would love this, share this. Oh, and let me know in the comments below what is your favorite way to organize your pantry, or what video would you like to see me do next. Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!